Hello everyone. Beauty Melasma XAHA BHA Brightening Foam Cleansing is a facial cleanser specifically designed to target hyperpigmentation and dark spots. It is formulated with combination of AHA BHA to gently exfoliate and brighten the skin, improving its overall tone and texture. This cleansing foam has a light whips texture and it designed to be gentle enough for daily use. It is also free of harmful ingredients such as sulfates, parabens and alcohol, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. The brightening formula helps to leave the skin looking clearer and more radiant, making it a great option for individuals with hyperpigmentation or dark spots.